Starting with the explanation, the narrator, that is Jerome, was going on a trip with his friends George and Harris. Jerome was very proud of his packing skills, so he offered to do the task of packing. His friends accepted the offer and relaxed while he packed the bag. The narrator was not happy about this. He hated other people relaxing while he was working. Actually, his real intention was to supervise his friends in packing, give instructions, and not to do it by himself. However, they misinterpreted him, and as a result, the narrator had to do the packing. The process of packing proved to be very long and tiring. The moment the narrator strapped the bag, Harris asked him whether he had kept the boots in the bag. The narrator felt that Harris could have reminded him about this before he had closed the bag. So Jerome again opened the bag and packed the boots into the bag. When he was about to close his bag, a horrible idea came to his mind: if he had packed his toothbrush. So he searched for his toothbrush in his bag and had to remove everything, but he could not find it and created a mess.